Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to continue understanding the chapter planning. Today we are going to be understanding the third topic related to planning, which is limitations of planning. It's very rightly said. It is very important to plan because planning is the first step to management. But then we should not forget that we are living in an environment which is very dynamic, ever changing, and business and industry has to survive in that very dynamic environment. There are so many things which change in the external environment. We've studied this in chapter 3, which are beyond the control of the management. It could be a social, political, legal, technological, or any sort of economic environment. You see what's happening to COVID because of COVID-19. There are so many changes. Jitni bhi achhi planning ki hogi, probably all of them would have failed by now. Why? Because the disaster outside is much more than what business can handle. Let us look at some of the things which could be quoted as examples of changes. One, and this is all on page 99, children. Unforeseen events and changes. Rise in the cost, prices, environmental changes, government interventions, legal regulations, all of them affect the business plans. Undoubtedly, business has to make plans which need modification. लेकिन limitations, लेकिन कुछ problems आती है जब तुम planning करते हो. वो क्या problems है? We are going to understand in detail. The very first limitation of planning is it leads to rigidity. What do you mean by rigidity? Rigidity means something which is fixed, which cannot be changed very quickly. When we make a plan, you make a plan maybe for a day, a week, a month, maybe a fortnight, maybe 6 months, a year, or maybe 5 years. See, normally companies at top level don't make a plan for a day or two. वो 5-10 साल को foresee करके बनाते हैं. So जब तुम plan बना रहे हो, right, and you've decided that this is going to happen in the future, you cannot, if you think you want to make changes in between when the plan is made, or while the plan is being made, or while the plan is being implemented, it becomes a little difficult. Scope for flexibility may be a little difficult. If you look here very carefully, it says, following a predetermined, decided plan when circumstances have changed may not turn out to be very successful for the organization. अब हमने कुछ सोच लिया, अगर हम नहीं change कर पाएंगे उसे, so whatever you have planned, you have to follow that. So planning leads to rigidity. The second is planning may not work in a dynamic environment. Right now, it's the best example we can understand. We are in a very, very dynamic environment. The dynamic environment is, nothing is constant. Everything has changed. Your political systems have changed. Your political system may not have changed right now, but the attitude of the government has changed. The economic scenario has changed. Legal rules have changed. Society to puri tarah badal gayi hai, right? We're all locked at our own homes right now. Right? Now the organization has to adapt to all these changes. बहुत मुश्किल है, very difficult. अगर तुम देखो, पता नहीं लॉकडाउन कब खुलेगा, लेकिन जब तक लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, बिजनेस को, हर बिजनेस है, चाहे वो छोटा है चाहे बड़ा, उसे totally right from scratch start करना पड़ेगा. Everything has to be modified. Everything has to be changed. It's going to be really difficult. When competition, हम सोचते हैं हम अकेले हैं जो प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और बेच रहे हैं. नहीं, but जैसे ही competition आती है तुम्हें अपने policies change करनी पड़ती है. जैसे ही, because they're going to affect your sales. जैसे तुम्हारी sales affect करेंगे, तुम्हारी revenue affect करेगा, and the entire process is going to be affected. Planning involves huge cost. Definitely, children, don't ever think in business, anything is available free of cost. The amount of time spent by managers to think what to do in the future. They're getting a paycheck. They're getting their salary. Time is being utilized. Time and money has to be measured in money terms. Right? Time and anything you do has to be measured in money terms. Now, whenever they are checking for accuracy, whenever they are finding out detailed information, they are doing a lot of calculations, facts and figures को study कर रहे हैं, इन सब पर खर्चा हो रहा है. बहुत बार ये देखा जाता है कि जो हम information collect करें उस पर तो हो ही रहा है खर्चा, लेकिन उस information को discuss करने के लिए भी खर्चा हो रहा है. जो top level management है, अक्सर उनकी meetings होती है. तुम देखो आजकल 70% ऑफ द IT वर्ल्ड इज डूइंग वर्क फ्रॉम होम। तो बोला मतलब वो काम पर नहीं जाए तो उनको तनख्वाह नहीं मिलेगी क्या? नो, दे आर सिटिंग इन द मॉर्निंग एट 9 o'clock and they're on their laptop online maybe probably till 7 o'clock in the evening. So they are conducting meetings, they're doing investigations, they're doing a lot of discussions, they're finding out facts, figures, plan कर रहे हैं कि अब क्या करें, अब नहीं करें, ये करें, वो करें. All this needs money. उनको सैलरीज मिलनी है, इंटरनेट का खर्चा हो रहा है. All this involves a lot of money. So whenever you are planning, but एक बात, why is it a limitation? Because when you are spending so much money on planning something, must make sure कि उस planning को जब हम implement करेंगे और उसका जो result होगा वो result should be much more than the cost you have incurred while planning. अगर मान लो इतना टाइम तुमने प्लान करने में लगा दिया और फिर उसका रिजल्ट तुमने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी कर दिया, लेकिन जब रिजल्ट आया तो वो सारा कुछ लॉस में था. सो ऑल दैट मनी विच यू स्पेंट ऑन प्लानिंग गोज अ वेस्ट. Along with being incurring huge cost, it is time consuming. तुम्हें बहुत टाइम चाहिए इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करने के लिए, उसको स्टडी करने, उसकी डिटेल एनालिसिस करने के लिए, टू वर्क ऑन द फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स. यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑल्सो. एक दिन में बैठकर तुम प्लान नहीं कर सकते भाई अब चलो हम क्या करेंगे. इट इज बिलीव दैट जो कोविड-19 की जो वैक्सीन है अब वो सोच रहे करना शुरू किया, एंड एवरी कंट्री इज स्पेंडिंग बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स on this research, and they are expecting this vaccine to come somewhere in the mid or end of 2021. Imagine itna time chahiye to plan for the vaccine of COVID-19. The last limitation, planning does not guarantee success. I understand planning is very, very important. Only when you plan, you decide how to organize, you decide who to keep and where, staff, you give instructions, you control. But then remember one thing, सिर्फ प्लानिंग करने से ही सब कुछ नहीं होता. Plans have to be very well implemented. The word there is translated. जब तक मैंने जो प्लान किया, मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताऊंगी कि मैंने ऐसे इस तरीके से प्लान किया, हमें ये चाहिए. My vision, my goal, my objective should reconcile with the goal and objective of every individual. It should penetrate to the lowest level of the person in the organization. Normally, what do managers do? They plan. जब वो प्लानिंग करते हैं, वो जो पहले वाले प्लान्स होते हैं पिछले साल के, उससे पिछले साल के, या उनके जो पिछले मैनेजर ने प्लान किया या उसके पिछले टॉप लेवल मैनेजर्स ने प्लान किया, वही प्लान्स जो सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हैं उन्हीं को वो रिपीटेडली प्लान करके उन्हीं को रिपीटेडली इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं, forgetting that the business lives in a dynamic environment and the environment is changing. पुराने घिसे पिटे प्लान्स नहीं काम आएंगे अब, right? It is very important to find out some unknown factors which are responsible for the success of every plan. मान लो अगर मैंने अपना टारगेट ही, ऑब्जेक्टिव ही, विजन, गोल ही गलत सेट किया बाय प्लानिंग मैंने बहुत बढ़िया की, बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत सब कुछ कर लिया, लेकिन वो मेरा जो टारगेट था, जो प्रोडक्ट मैंने लॉन्च करना था, वो मैंने बेस ही गलत लिया और मैं प्लानिंग करी जा रही हूँ और ये सोचकर कर रही हूँ कि आई एम सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज माई प्लान इज गुड. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. इट ऑलवेज गिव्स यू अ फॉल्स सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. वाई? क्योंकि हम ये सोचकर चल रहे हैं कि जो हम कर रहे हैं सही है, irrespective whether it is actually right or not. जब वो पूरा इंप्लीमेंट हो जाएगा, पूरी इशू खत्म हो जाता है, तब हम रियलाइज होता है कि whether we are successful or failure. अगर हम फेल हो जाते हैं, हम फेल क्यों होगी? क्योंकि जो प्लान्स हमने बनाए थे वो सही नहीं थे. लेकिन हम इस हिंदी में वर्ड कहते हैं भ्रम, इस फॉल्स इल्यूजन, सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी से जी रहे हैं कि जो मैंने प्लान बनाया था वो सही था और इसीलिए जो मैं कर रही हूं वो सही है. It may not work. So whenever a plan is to be made, it has to be made very, very carefully. And it is not necessary that every plan made is bound to be successful.